What's going on, family? I am Sean, and as you can see right in my hand, I am holding a drone. I just managed to find a company that is actually looking for licensed drone pilots to do estimates for their house or to do examinations of their houses. It's a company called Best 360. I'm asked to do some work with them, get to know their workflow and understand them. And this is a fun little side gig for that anyone should take advantage of, if they're in need of money. And but more importantly, in order to do this, you would have to have a drone, something like what I have right here, the DJI Mini, and your Part 107 license. Now, what can you do about getting the Part 107 license? There's a plethora of resources that you can look at here on YouTube to help you to get that Part 107. Being able to use drones for inspections and stuff like that, and insurance is quite common. And what I'm talking about right here is zero exception. If you guys want to be able to look into this, I would strongly suggest you go to the website, see if they got any openings, and see where they need pilots at the most. Because you got some areas where there are not a lot of pilots, but they need some people that have some houses inspected. You go talk to them, check it out, and see what you can get.